HomeEmbroideryMachine.com presents the essential points to look for in best computerized embroidery sewing machine before you bite. Simplicity is not a bad thing but an ally. Look for simplicity. A quality construction is by far the most important thing. Every embroidery sewing machine should be offered with a warranty. Be aware that embroidery sewing machines are offered with hidden costs. Determine how the functionality of the equipment will be of optimum service to you. Best computerized embroidery sewing machines also have to have simple cleaning steps. For in-depth information, read our article at HomeEmbroideryMachine.com. Please comment below and share this video with your loved ones.